Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to
about to leave, already packing, come with me.
show you guys the footage here real quick of the reveal of the playroom and the laundry room. But I wanted to tell you a little bit of info as to why there's not really footage of going through the playroom. First of all, I went through the playroom at night when my children were asleep because, as you moms know, going through toys and things for children is hard. So I did it when they were asleep because, let's be real, they have not mentioned a single thing that I got rid of. Not even sure they know. But one thing that I've noticed is the things that I've kept, they've played with a lot more since I've gotten rid of the other things. So there's not really a lot of footage of that because it was at night and it's very dark and yellow out here. My lighting is just really bad. And my camera is still just not that great. So instead of having terrible, badly lit footage, with it not being during the daytime and having any natural light, I just decided I just wasn't going to, and I would just have the footage from the laundry room that we did in the other two parts that you saw, where I did like the sentimental stuff on the one side, and then Derek and I and Easton did all of his stuff on the other side. Both of those videos have been posted before this. So I just wanted to let you guys know why that wasn't up. I hope you guys enjoy. It has been great having it done. It is easier to maintain. It is easier to maintain for the kids. I'm not having to clean it up all the time. There's not so much that is overwhelming. And like I said, the kids are actually playing with their stuff. So I love it. I like having empty drawers. I like the less clutter. So since we are done with the playroom, we are now going to, anyway, here's the footage, and I'll catch up with you guys after the video. hope that you guys liked it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of the playroom and the laundry room. I'm in love with it. Like I said, like we use the door in our playroom to come in and out of our house, and it's so nice to walk through that door and this room just be clean and put together and done. It's just nice. So I love it. And like I was talking about, since this room is done, we are going to be moving on. We started in our bedroom working on our closets, which we have done. I didn't do the full like KonMari on the boys' closets over Christmas break, but I did go through all of their stuff at Christmas break. So I'm not going to revisit that at this point. I think that in the spring when the seasons change and I am going to go through their stuff anyway, then I will. But at this point, I'm not going to do that. My next step is going to be my drawers. I have drawers in my living room area, like in my TV cabinet. There's games in the bottom, and then there's 2 drawers that are full of stuff, and then I have drawers under my fish tank that are just full of crap, for lack of a better word. Sorry, my cat is chasing Bob. Anyway, so I'm going to start with those. I'm going to do all of those and get all of those cleaned out and organized. And then after I get all of that done, from there I'm going to go to the bathrooms. I'm going to do the hall bathroom first, and which is the main bathroom. I use that bathroom and the boys use that bathroom. Now I shower in the bathroom in Derek and I's master bedroom, but I get ready in the bathroom in the hallway. So the majority of my stuff is in the hall bathroom. I will do that bathroom, and then I will probably have Derek do his bathroom since it's all his stuff in there. And then from there, I'm going to do my kitchen, just because that is gonna be a fairly big job to tackle. My kitchen's just hard. Y'all have seen it. It's not very big. I don't have a ton of storage, so I need a little bit of time to kind of figure out what I want to do storage wise for that. So that will be probably one of the last areas that I tackle. But then after the kitchen, everything in the house should be done. And then in the spring, when it starts to warm up, we will be doing the same thing in the shed, which last year I posted a video of us going through the shed as well, but this year it will be like serious business going through that shed. We are going to get that thing cleared out, like seriously cleared out. There is so much stuff in there that doesn't need to be in there. We're almost to the point where we don't have a ton of kids' clothes down there anymore. And I'll show you guys at some point, but this back room up here off of my dining room, we're converting into like a storage room type of area, to where I'm going to have a container of decorations for each holiday that I decorate for, other than Christmas, of course, because let's be real, I have about 14 Christmas containers. And I am going to have shelves. We will probably end up building some type of shelving system to where they will each have their own spot, and I'm not having to like unstack everything just to get the one out and move them, and they will each have their own home to go into, so then I can pull them out and they're right here. Because what happens is they go to the shed and then we don't go get them, and it's a pain. So I'd like to go through all of my holiday decorations, go through them, what I like, what I don't like, get rid of stuff, and then bring the holiday stuff up here. So anyway, that is what's happening. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I have enjoyed it. If you have thought about starting to declutter and clean up and tidy your house and your life and everything, I urge you to do it because it really does feel great when it's done. It is not the most fun getting started. Even for me it is, because I like doing that, but for my husband it was kind of like I kind of had to kick him along and come on, let's go, let's do it. But once he got started, I think he really kind of embraced it and was like, wow, this really does look good, and this feels good, and it'll be nice to not have to dig for things and be looking, where's my hammer at? And so it does feel great. But hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.